Defend correctly in chess. And let's go over this game right quick. We are the black pieces. Yes, we're being attacked relentlessly. Yes, our king isn't castled. Yes, we're not developed. But we can capture this rook with our f6 pawn. Should we capture? That must be the only move, because if we don't capture, then we're in a terrible position. So what happens after we capture the rook on e5? Well, they can check our king two different good ways. And we're not talking about the knight, but this queen can check our king on a4 and h5. If the queen checks us on a4, then we just block with bishop d7, attacking the queen. And yes, that's a tip on the queen. That would help us. But after queen h5, what happens here? If we do g6, then we'll be in a losing position after queen takes on e5, attacking our rook, and our king is still in the center. But we can go knight g6, defending the pawn on e5, and hopefully getting our bishop developed and castling kingside. Hey, you gotta defend like this in chess.